You are strongly advised not to continue watching unless you're ready to face the shocking truth. Today, we're about to introduce a breakthrough that will redefine how you think about physical access control: the incredible ACTi Door Station Video Intercom Camera. It's not just a door station, it's a stay with us and get ready to upgrade your security game forever. First, let's talk about the RFID sensor access control. The ACTi Door Station supports seamless RFID authentication, ensuring every student, employee, or visitor passes securely and quickly through access points. Perfect deployments include school gates, factory staff entrances, and parking lot barriers. Next, let's highlight the 180-degree ultra-wide high-resolution lens. The ACTi Door Station captures every movement and detail, perfect for monitoring school main avenues, factory loading docks, and parking lot gates. Get full visibility and zero blind spots with smarter spending. Now, let's dive into the high-performance intercom feature. Whether it's verifying visitors at schools, checking deliveries at factories, or solving ticketing issues at parking lots, the ACTi Door Station provides crystal-clear two-way communication. Install it at school security offices, factory gates, and parking exits. ACTi delivers professional-grade communication clarity while saving operational costs. Next up, face recognition at lightning speed. The ACTi Door Station can automatically verify authorized personnel and deny access to strangers. Best suited for school dorm entrances, factory personnel corridors, and VIP parking areas. First, let's address physical durability. The ACTi Door Station boasts a rugged IP66 rated casing, built to survive rain, dust, and extreme weather. Deploy it at school entrances, outdoor factory gates, and parking lot booths. Next, vibration detection comes into play. If tampering or impact occurs, the ACTi Door Station instantly triggers alerts, giving your security team the upper hand. Deploy it around school perimeters, factory warehouses, and parking access points. Let's talk user experience. The ACTi Door Station features an ultra-responsive touch button, allowing users to initiate calls, request access, or trigger alerts with a simple tap. Best deployed at school admin entrances, factory checkpoints, and emergency columns in parking areas. And finally, let's spotlight video clarity under extreme lighting conditions. Even under glaring sun or pitch-dark environments, the ACTi Door Station provides uncompromised clarity. Ideal for school night corridors, factory night shifts entrances, and late-night parking lots. ACTi ensures critical footage is never lost, giving you true 24/7 protection without the access level price. This is the one video you simply cannot afford to miss today. Choose the ACTi Door Station Video Intercom Camera and revolutionize your security operations with top-tier performance. Don't wait until the risks hit. Act now. Contact us today and experience why ACTi is the smartest move for your security strategy.